Welcome back to EdgeVerse Intelligence. Over the past 2 days, we have taken you through the innovative hardware and strategic displays at DefTech Bharat 2026. Yesterday, May 22nd, marked the grand conclusion of this 3-day event at the KTPO Convention Center in Bengaluru. Today, we are breaking down the final day's developments, the session that shifted the focus from demonstration to integration and set the roadmap for India's defense future. While the first 2 days were defined by the unveiling of prototypes, yesterday was all about the system of systems approach. The discourse in the final technical conferences centered on C4ISR and how to maintain operational sovereignty within an AI-driven battle space. We observed industry leaders finalizing supply chain agreements that move past individual component manufacturing into full-scale indigenous defense ecosystem integration. Yesterday effectively closed the gap between experimental R&D and mission-ready deployment. A key highlight of yesterday, starting at 2 p.m., was the exclusive engagement with the next generation of engineers. Opening the floor to university students wasn't just a site visit, it was a deliberate move to bridge the gap between academic research and defense sector requirements. Watching these students engage with senior R&D leads provided a glimpse into the human capital that will sustain the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission for years to come. As the booths were dismantled yesterday evening, they left behind a clear strategic roadmap for the coming quarters. From advanced drone swarms to the next generation of space-based surveillance, DefTech Bharat 2026 has proven that the domestic defense industry is no longer just watching, it is leading. This concludes our special 3-day coverage of the event. This is EdgeVerse Intelligence. If you've missed our deep dives on the tech displayed over the last 48 hours, be sure to check the links in the description. Subscribe and stay informed on the pulse of global defense. Thank you for watching.